They are not good people at all. And the Lord is going to visit them one by one. One by one, God will visit them. God will visit them. God will visit them. God will visit them. One by one.
My sister has been there for 40 good days. What have you done to deserve this? Is this supposed to be called a country? I'm very disappointed to be. In fact, I'm disappointed to be in Nigeria.
Hello, your name?
No need.
And just yesterday, they collected a number of bikes, which we have to, because our future, our children, our blood, our destiny were tied down for 40 days. So there was nothing they asked for that we could not have done.
Was there any effort by security agencies?
There was no fight anywhere by any security agency. I stand to be corrected. Let any security agency come out and come and tell us where they fought. Let them come and tell us where they fought the kidnappers. Let them come and tell us. The parents, all of us, we have suffered. We have sold all our properties. Everything that was valued to us, we sold to rescue our children. There is no government, there is no security agency anywhere that came out for any assistance or any help.
There was an altercation between your
because the altercation, whatever you call it, was because people, probably state actors, who never contributed anything to the freedom of these children, they came out to take glory. And so the parents have to resist them because they never contributed anything. They never even acknowledged that something of that nature happened in that school. So why did they now come out to take glory?
Okay, now, congratulations.
Thank you.
Are you going to take your child back to Greenfield University?
Well, that is not a decision to take now, because the school authority have also done immensely. If by way of compensating, by way of showing appreciation for what they have done, is a thing that we have to consider in the nearest future. But we must not also forget the fact that citing a university in a place like that brings development to the states. It brings development to the states. And so everything should have been done by the state and the federal government. We are talking about education. Education is the backbone of development of any nation. And if a nation ignores education, they are ignoring their future. And that has been our fate as a country in Nigeria. My name is Mr. Bassi.